The idea of finance business partnering has been around for at least 50 years. So why are we still talking about how to get it right? Researchers have identified 3 reasons why it most commonly goes wrong. Firstly, lack of understanding of the business. You can't be effective in the role if you don't understand the business. So what steps can you take to address that? At Dyson, they make all staff spend a month in the factory helping to assemble the products. At the advertising agency Mother, staff move desks every 60 days. Whatever you do, it's essential that you learn about the business, what it does, how and why. The second common pitfall is lack of buy-in from colleagues. One young finance business partner at a large aerospace engineering company presented his bright idea for an activity-based budgeting approach to product costings. It went well, or so he thought. Stunningly boring was the verdict of his colleagues. However brilliant your idea, you're much more likely to get buy-in if your colleagues have been involved in its development. The third reason things go wrong is insufficient time. A recent ICAEW report highlighted this issue. A lack of time prevents finance staff from seeing what's happening across the whole business. As a result, they struggle to solve business problems and fail to get buy-in from their colleagues, making it hard to secure the resources they need. So how will you make sure that you succeed where so many others have failed? Here are our 3 top tips. 1. Learn about the whole business so you can be sure your ideas add value. 2. Work with people. Involve them as early as possible for maximum buy-in. 3. Make time for the role. If you try to fit this in after finishing the transactional accounting, you won't be able to do it justice. Good luck! After 50 years, it's time we got this right. It's a great role, if you can master it.